Have you ever walked into a room and felt instantly overwhelmed by dirt, grime, or clutter? What if I told you that with a few simple, game-changing cleaning hacks, the same space can look sparkling, fresh, and absolutely gorgeous in no time? Today, I'm going to show you transformations that are so satisfying you won't believe it's the same home. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon, because these hacks will completely change the way you clean your home forever. Step 1. Start with decluttering. The first step in any cleaning transformation is decluttering. Most mess isn't dirt, it's unnecessary items scattered everywhere. Begin by picking one area at a time, like a countertop, a drawer, or a corner. Use the keep, toss, donate approach. Within minutes, you'll see a huge visual improvement. Decluttering isn't just practical, it's emotional. The clean space immediately reduces stress and gives a sense of accomplishment. Step 2. Tackle grease and grime efficiently. Kitchens and bathrooms often accumulate layers of grease and soap scum. Instead of scrubbing endlessly, use targeted solutions. A mix of vinegar and water for surfaces, or a baking soda paste for tough stains. Apply. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe. The satisfaction of watching years of grime dissolve instantly is unmatched. With the right approach, even the most stubborn dirt vanishes effortlessly. Step 3. Transform floors with minimal effort. Floors often get overlooked, yet clean floors dramatically impact the look of a room. Sweep and mop systematically, working in sections. For extra shine, use a few drops of dish soap in warm water or a gentle floor polish. Within minutes, your floor goes from dull and dusty to sparkling clean, changing the vibe of the entire room. Step 4. Refresh soft surfaces. Couches, rugs, and curtains hold dust and odors. Vacuuming is a start, but for a deeper refresh, sprinkle baking soda on soft surfaces, let it sit, then vacuum. This eliminates odors and dust, making your space feel healthier and more inviting. In just a few steps, what once felt heavy and grimy now looks fresh and welcoming. Step 5. Organize like a pro. Organization is a key element in transforming a space. Use drawer dividers, baskets, and shelf organizers to give everything a dedicated place. Label bins for clarity. A tidy, well-organized room feels immediately more spacious, calm, and aesthetically pleasing. The combination of cleaning plus smart organization is where true transformation happens. Step 6. Brighten with light and mirrors. Lighting changes everything. Open curtains to let in natural light, add lamps in dim corners, and use mirrors strategically. Mirrors reflect light and make rooms appear larger and fresher. After a deep clean, enhanced lighting emphasizes how sparkling and inviting the space has become. It's a subtle but powerful transformation trick professionals use. Step 7. Add fresh scents. A clean home isn't just visual, it's sensory. After cleaning, introduce pleasant scents, essential oils, fresh flowers, or a light room spray. The combination of sparkling surfaces and fresh aromas instantly makes a home feel gorgeous and inviting. It's a simple step that completes the transformation. Step 8. Quick wins for high-impact areas. Focus on high-traffic, noticeable areas like entryways, countertops, and bathrooms. Even small improvements in these areas create the illusion that the entire home has been transformed. Quick wins build momentum and encourage ongoing maintenance. Step 9. Use the right tools. Cleaning transformations are faster and more effective with the right tools. Microfiber cloths, scrub brushes, spray bottles, and squeegees make a noticeable difference. They reduce effort, increase efficiency, and produce professional-looking results that impress every time. Step 10. Emotional satisfaction of a transformation. Watching a grimy space turn into something gorgeous. If you loved these cleaning transformation tips, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical hacks that make your home look and feel incredible. Start today, follow these steps, and watch your home sparkle, shine, and feel brand new in no time. From grimy corners to sparkling surfaces, these transformations prove that with simple hacks and consistent effort, any home can look absolutely gorgeous, and you don't need hours of work to do it.